you have been coding stupidly wrong if you're not using Python class, because a Python class lets you bundle up your functions and variables into one thing. So if you have multiple variables, multiple functions, don't need to bother about that. Just use a class and you will be able to pass around the data very easily. Let me show you how. So you have that class called animal, and you have name and age attribute, but you also want to have dog inheritance. So dog inherits the common properties self.name and self.age, but you also want it to have its own function like making sound. A dog barks and his name and age would be different. And you want to create another animal, which is cat, and the cat makes different sound and his name and age would be different. Then you create instances of the dog and cat. You include the name and age. So at last you call the method using d.makeSound and c.makeSound. After that, when you output the value, you'll see that you are inheriting the common properties, common attributes here, name and age, and you are also able to call their unique functions here. So that's the beauty of classes.